So there are two things that I found super helpful to know about hell while reading Dante's Inferno. Obviously, hell is not usually my topic of choice, but since I'm reading through the Divine Comedy, I thought it'd be fun to share that part of the journey as well, this part as well. So the two things are, number one, how Dante views sin. So for Dante, sin equals disorder. So there are things in the book that can be considered good. Food, for example. It can be a good, there can be a healthy way of enjoying it, but then there can also be a disordered or very unhealthy way of viewing it. And so that might be gluttony, eating at the expense of our health or eating at the expense of whatever else. So in that case, then it becomes the sin of gluttony. So that nuance is really awesome, I think, to kind of focus on or to understand, to better understand the book, but also to kind of think about our own lives and mistakes we might make. The second thing that I think is really interesting is Dante's idea of contrapasso, which is a crime or a punishment that fits the crime. So, for example, if someone was blown around during life by lust and they just, whatever passion they felt in that moment is what they followed, in Dante's version of hell, they're blown about by a storm. It's kind of that same thing. They're getting what they desire in a way, but it's obviously not very pleasant, but it's a punishment fitting a crime. I think that this makes it really interesting then to read the Inferno with kind of this question of how does this crime or how does this punishment fit the crime, and kind of thinking about what did that person actually want in life and all those good things. So anyways, that was kind of heavy. Hopefully not too much though. Feel free to watch more travel things on the channel. But I think it's interesting, and thank you for joining me for the bookish journeys thus far.